Chapter 43. Tables 1 to 10. Table of 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3. 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4. 1 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5. 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6. 1 multiplied by 7 is equal to 7. 1 multiplied by 8 is equal to 8. 1 multiplied by 9 is equal to 9. 1 multiplied by 10 is equal to 10. Table of 2. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 14. 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 16. 2 multiplied by 9 is equal to 18. 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20. Table of 3. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18. 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to 21. 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 24. 3 multiplied by 9 is equal to 27. 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 13. Table of 4. 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24. 4 multiplied by 7 is equal to 28. 4 multiplied by 8 is equal to 32. 4 multiplied by 9 is equal to 36. 4 multiplied by 10 is equal to 40. Table of 5. 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30. 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 35. 5 multiplied by 8 is equal to 40. 5 multiplied by 9 is equal to 45. 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 50. Table of 6. 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24. 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30. 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36. 6 multiplied by 7 is equal to 42. 6 multiplied by 8 is equal to 48. 6 multiplied by 9 is equal to 54. 6 multiplied by 10 is equal to 60. Table of 7. 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7. 7 multiplied by 2 is equal to 14. 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21. 7 multiplied by 4 is equal to 28. 7 multiplied by 5 is equal to 35. 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to 42. 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 49. 7 multiplied by 8 is equal to 56. 7 multiplied by 9 is equal to 63. 7 multiplied by 10 is equal to 70. Table of 8. 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. 8 multiplied by 3 is equal to 24. 8 multiplied by 4 is equal to 32. 8 multiplied by 5 is equal to 40. 8 multiplied by 6 is equal to 48. 8 multiplied by 7 is equal to 56. 8 multiplied by 8 is equal to 64. 8 multiplied by 9 is equal to 72. 8 multiplied by 10 is equal to 80. Table of 9. 9 multiplied by 1 is equal to 9. 9 multiplied by 2 is equal to 18. 9 multiplied by 3 is equal to 27. 9 multiplied by 4 is equal to 36. 9 multiplied by 5 is equal to 45. 9 multiplied by 6 is equal to 54. 9 multiplied by 7 is equal to 63. 9 multiplied by 8 is equal to 72. 9 multiplied by 9 is equal to 81. 9 multiplied by 10 is equal to 90. Table of 10. 10 multiplied by 1 is equal to 10. 10 multiplied by 2 is equal to 20. 10 multiplied by 3 is equal to 30. 10 multiplied by 4 is equal to 40. 10 multiplied by 5 is equal to 50. 10 multiplied by 6 is equal to 60. 10 multiplied by 7 is equal to 70. 10 multiplied by 8 is equal to 80. 10 multiplied by 9 is equal to 90. 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100.